This is the Ohuhu stand-up weeder. This thing's made out of reinforced aluminum. This pole is. We've got plastic parts on here and stainless steel spikes, 3 stainless steel spikes. It is 39.5 inches long and it weighs just a little under 1 pound. Very super lightweight device. I like it. I'm 6'2", and you can see when it's in the ground, it comes up to about my waist. Might be a little bending involved for me, someone my height, but let me show you how this thing works. Weed season hasn't started yet, but what I'm doing is going through my mulch bed where the grass grew up over the winter and starting to come in. And pretty simple, you stick it in the ground, you spin it once, pull it out, there it is, roots and all. When you're done, you just press the ejector button and it ejects it off. It's really simple to use, particularly in soft turf. One thing I want to point out is that it will leave a hole in the ground, and every single one of these stand-up weeders does that because you're literally removing an entire plant from the ground. If you want to, you can have a little bucket with you to fill in the hole, or this kind of soft stuff right here, I can just trample it over really easily. There it is, the Ohuhu stand-up weeder, lightweight, easy to use.